So one of the most popular accessories for the UTVs is the windshield. Windshields are designed to protect you from wind, debris, and other objects that may come in the passenger compartment. So what I did is I picked the half windshield. So there's multiple different kinds to pick: half, full, flip down, and vented. Price ranges start around $200 and go up. There's also options for full glass. Full glass range around $400 and up. The one I chose specifically fits the Yamaha Wolverine. So as you can see, it's slotted exactly the way the front is. So it just pops down very easily, and it has 4 Velcro straps. Velcro straps are designed to take it on and off quickly without any frustration at all. It's very simple to install and uninstall. Generally when it's 50 degrees or lower, I have the windshield on. If it's hot, I take it off because obviously you want some of the wind coming in and air coming into your helmet. So just so you can see what I'm doing, it's basically just 4 Velcro straps on each side. Half has a little ridge here to push the air up and away from the passengers. So again, on each side, it's just 4 Velcro straps. Very simply and easily designed. Just tightens up. And this will protect you from any objects. This is a polycarbonate windshield. Most of the ones are polycarbonate or start at $200. The ones that start a little higher are full glass. For my usage out here in Florida, I don't need the full glass, but this is a perfect addition to this UTV. All the UTV windshields can be picked up from your dealership. Most are in stock. If not, they can order them within 1 or 2 days. The most popular brands generally come with Seismic, Quad Boss, Kolpin, and Fortress, the most common that are out there. There's Clearly Tough. There's multiple different ones you can choose from. Take a look at the ratings. Ask your dealer to see which ones work the best. But these are very, very easy. It's one of the most needed accessory for a UTV.